If you are struggling with your credit score for a long time, I have the best solution for you in my hand. This ebook costs $49, but I am giving it to you for free. It's a limited time offer. Download now and solve your credit problems. I have put the link in the video description.
Bankruptcy isn't a 10-year credit sentence. If you think your credit is ruined for a decade, you're wrong. You can start rebuilding the moment the ink is dry on your discharge papers. Here is your exact 12-month game plan to go from bankruptcy to a 700-plus score. Most people treat bankruptcy like a scarlet letter. They wait, they do nothing, and they let their credit rot while they pray for time to heal the wound. That is the biggest mistake you can make. Time doesn't heal credit, action does. You are not waiting for a miracle, you are executing a recovery plan. Month 1. This is your audit. Go to annualcreditreport.com and pull your reports from all 3 bureaus. You are looking for a crime scene. Any debt that was wiped in your bankruptcy must show a 0 balance. If it says past due or charged off, that is an error. Dispute it immediately. Upload your discharge papers as evidence. Month 2. This is the era of the streak. You cannot afford a single missed payment. Set up every single bill, electric, rent, phone, on autopay. Even a 30-day late payment at this stage is like setting your progress on fire. You need to prove to the algorithms that you are a boring, reliable person. Month 3. It is time to get a secured credit card. Put down a deposit, use it for exactly 1 subscription or a tank of gas, and pay it off in full before the statement date. That's it. You are not shopping, you are establishing a new rhythm. By month 6, it's all about utilization. This is the biggest lever you have. If your limit is $500, you cannot spend more than $50. Keeping your utilization below 10% tells the credit bureaus that you aren't desperate for cash. It proves you have access to credit but don't need to use it. Month 7 to 9. Now we look for credit mix. If you only have a secured card, you're missing out. Look into a credit builder loan from a local credit union. It's a forced savings account that reports as a loan. You pay it off, you get your money back, and you gain a massive credit boost. Months 10 to 12. Stop applying for everything. At this point, your score is climbing. You will be tempted to get a car loan or a personal loan. Don't. Not yet. Focus on increasing your limits on the cards you already have. A higher limit with 0 usage is the gold standard for your score. Here's the reality. Most people see a massive jump in their score within 12 to 18 months just by being consistent. It's not a hack or a shortcut. It is the boring work of proving you are financially stable. You aren't just rebuilding a number. You are rebuilding your entire reputation. Bankruptcy isn't the end of your financial life. It is a hard reset. Are you going to wait for the 10-year timer to run out, or are you going to start fixing it today? Drop a reset in the comments if you're ready to take control.